All right, so the next range of strength drill we're going to go through is for two reasons. One, it's a good precursor before doing ring dips or strict bar dips, as it takes away some of the intensities you've got your feet on the floor. And the other one is it's a great range of strength drill to help open people up that have really tight anterior shoulders, so we can get that shoulder extension and the active range. So if we go into dip setup. Now this is probably one of the most bastardized movements you'll see in a boot camp situation. We're not trying to do that. What we're trying to do is work through a large range of motion as slow as possible, so that when we get down to that deep position, we've got a lot of tension getting produced across this shoulder joint. It means we're lengthening out the bicep, lengthening out the pec major minor, and then we're producing force in that end range. So if we work through 10 reps super slow, holding in those tough positions, we're going to develop that strength and the ability to produce force, which means that we're going to have less chance of getting injured if our arm gets pulled away from us at higher velocity. So working through developing that time under tension and the tendon strength is going to lead to reduced risk of injury.